What's up, guys? This is Tadanjum from TechWeek, again welcoming you in our YouTube channel, which is TechWeek.2, and also welcoming in the DIP series. We will go through towards lecture number 3. So, as I introduced the digital image processing in lecture number 1 and fundamental steps in DIP. So, coming towards the first step of DIP, that is digitization. So, what does digitization contains? It contains two main processes: sampling and quantization. In order to become suitable for digital processing, an image function must be digitized both spatially and amplitude. So I had discussed before that when you take image from any sensor, so you have to digitize the image in order to store it in your computer or mobile. So this digitization process includes two main processes called sampling and quantization. Sampling is the digitizing the coordinate value, and whereas quantization is digitizing the amplitude value. So this is also main steps in digitizing a analog signal into digital signal. So this is very common topic in all fields. So we will go through a small example of sampling and quantization. So this is a image which contains some darker region, some lighter region, and more lighter region. We want to digitize it, so we will take a line in the image. What we are going to do, we are scanning this image, so we will take a random line between the image, such that I have taken the line A and the point between the line A and B. We'll go from A to B, and we will draw the graph of the image. This image contains these much regions: black region, that is low intensity, gray slight higher, blue medium intensity, light blue, and white. So we will first go from A. A contains very white region, so it is very high intensity, so we will draw this part of the graph. When we go from white to black instantly, so we will see instant drop in the graph, as it is a more darker region. So when we move forward, we will have blue region, which is medium intensity, so we will spontaneously our graph will spontaneously increasing, and at this region this gray region will come. So then we will have some darkness in our image, so our graph will go down, and at the end it will have most darker region or graph. and at the end, at B point, it will instantly increase as it is a very high intensity. So in this way we will make a graph of our image. So this as we obtain the graph of an image, so we will divide the this graph into equal parts. So by dividing, so when we divide it into equal parts, so this is called sampling. This is sampling, and the one instant is called sample. Afterwards we will see quantization. So as the name suggests that we will quantize the sampled image. So we have taken the image, we will draw graph or grid on the image, and then afterwards we will digitize. As you see that this box is 1/3 filled by dark region, so we will not fill 1/3, we will fill whole the pixel. As these are pixels, this may be suggested as pixels, so that this pixel will have value 255, that is, it is fully dark. So in this way we will obtain a digitized image of our original image. So then this image will be stored in the computer, or will be able to be stored in on the computer. So thanks for the video, and we'll have some interesting videos in upcoming lectures, so be connected. Thank you for your patience. Bye bye.